Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this Mr. Bean crochet teddy, and for this we will be needing blanket yarn from Ganga Acrowools knitting yarn. Along with that we will be needing this shade also. This is also available in the Blankie yarn. Along with that we will be needing 8 mm crochet hook and a safety needle to join the. So now we will be starting with the ear. For that we will make a slip knot, make 1, 2 and 3 chains, make 1 single crochet in the second chain and second single crochet in the third chain, then chain 1 and flip the work. Then we will be making 1 increase in the first single crochet and then a single crochet. The row will stop here. Then we have to make 1 chain 1 and then flip the work, then make 1 increase and then a single crochet and again 1 increase. This will make the end of the ear, then a slip knot to close the end and leave a big amount or enough amount of yarn so that this could be used to attach the ear. Now we will be making the leg. I've already created one piece so that it is easy for you to understand. We will be making single crochet, 2 single crochet increase and then single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet and then 2 single crochet and decrease. For that we will be using the beige yarn first and we will be making 2 rows out of the same. So a magic ring will be the starting step. After that we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After 6 single crochet we have to close the ring and make it tight enough. Then we have to slip stitch and make chain 1. Then we have to start with 1 single crochet, second single crochet and then increase. After that we are going to make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and an increase. With this our row number 2 will end and the use of beige color will end too. Leave a very small amount of yarn since this yarn is going to be kept inside the pattern. So this is the base that is created. Now we are going to create the upper part. For that we are going to make 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. With that we are going to make a slip stitch like this and end the row. We are going to repeat the same pattern for the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are going to again repeat the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And again we are going to repeat the same round for one more time. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So with this we have finished the round where we have to repeat the same 8 single crochet, and now we are going to pull this move where we are going to make 1 and 2 single crochet and a decrease, 1 and 2 single crochet and a decrease. With this we are going to mark a slip stitch, and after marking the slip stitch we are going to close this round, and we are going to leave one large end so that two legs can be attached conveniently. Two legs are created. Now we are going to create the arm. For the arm we are going to make one single crochet row, and for the arm we are going to create single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So basic two rows of beige color will be in the same stitch count. We are going to make the slip stitch, magic ring, and then we are going to make 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and then we are going to close this, make a slip stitch, and then we are going to 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, and 6 single crochet. And with this we are not going to use the beige color anymore, because beige color will only be used in the arm and the leg of the bear, of the teddy, and the use of the color is finished here. Now we are going to make the arm, and for that we are going to create 6 single crochet for 1 2 3 and 4. So for 4 rows we are going to create the single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So now we are going to repeat the same step for the next 3 rows. Complete the next 3 rows and come back to know how we are going to make a decrease over it. So we are back after finishing 1 2 3 and 4 rounds, and now we are going to make 1 2 3 and 4 single crochet, and after that the remaining stitches we are going to make a decrease. And with that our arm is also ready. We are going to make a slip stitch and close and leave a yarn long enough to attach it to the teddy, and with this we have made the arms also. So for now we have created the arms, we have created the legs, and we have created the ear. Now we are going to start with the bottom part, which will be attached. So the bottom part will be connected to the top part, and we are going to start with that. So for the teddy base we are going to make a slip knot, and going to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then we are going to make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet. After that in the last chain we are going to make 1 2 and 3 single crochet, and then we have to turn our work and work on the opposite side. So we are going to make 1 2 3 4 and 5 single crochet. After that here we are going to make 1 and 2 and increase, okay, and then we are going to make a slip knot and chain 1. Now we are going to make increase stitch. After that 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, and then we are going to make 3 increases. So 1 increase in 1 stitch, second increase in second stitch, and third increase in third stitch. After that we are going to again make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, and 5 single crochet, and then we are going to make 1 increase, and then we are going to make a second increase. With this, our second round is also complete. For the third round, we are going to make 22 single crochet. So 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7 single crochet, 8 single crochet, 9 single crochet, and like that only we are going to complete this round. I will be meeting you after completing this round. Now we are going to make the fourth round. For that we are going to make 1 single crochet. For that we are going to make 9 single crochet and a decrease. So I'm working on the same, and the decreases we are going to make on these sides so that the teddy shape can be achieved. So after reaching my corner, I am making a decrease. Yes, and after that we are going to continue with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 7, 8 and 9, and then we are going to make a decrease, and after that we are going to reach the other point and make a slip stitch to join. Now the further pattern will be worked like this only. So it will be 8 single crochet and decrease, 7 single crochet and decrease, 6 single crochet and decrease, then 5 single crochet and decrease, then 4 single crochet and decrease, and 3 single crochet and decrease. And with that we will be creating the bottom part. So I will be returning after making the bottom part, and the pattern will be displayed on the screen for your ease, and the same pattern is available on the online website for your purchase. So now we have created this part, and now we are going to sew the arms and the legs. The legs will be sewn on the part where the line, bottom line has been formed of the opposite row crocheting, and the arms will be attached on this part. And after that we will be making increase to create this shape again. Now we are going to make the head part. For that we are going to make a single crochet and reach to the corner point. After reaching the corner point, we are going to make an increase. So here we are making an increase from one side, and then we are going to crochet to reach to the other corner. So we are going to reach to the other corner. 1, 2, 3, and I am going out of the screen to complete it, and I have created, and now we are reaching to the point where we are going to increase. So after increasing we are going to reach to the point by making single crochet and come here and close. After this is 3 single crochet increase, then we are going to make 4 single crochet increase, 5 single crochet increase, 6 single crochet increase, 7 single crochet increase, 8 single crochet increase, 9 single crochet increase, and 10 single crochet increase, and that will create the same part on the upper side. I will meet you after making the same thing. You can find my pattern in this YouTube video written on the screen, or you can purchase the same pattern. So we are putting the nose. I have crocheted it and the pattern is available on the screen, and then we are putting the ear on this part. For the eye I am using the safety eye, and I will be putting it here. So as per the length that you are creating, you can put it like this, and now we are going to stitch it. The ear will be used by using this needle, and for the nose this needle will be used, and for the eye we are going to lock it with these. So I have filled the cotton, the fiber till the head, and now we are going to use the second ear. We are going to stitch it, and with the remaining yarn we are going to sew the head. So we are going to use this technique of putting the needle across 2 stitches, taking it out, and then rotating it and stitching it like this. So this is how the teddy has turned out, and you can also create your creations and tag me on Instagram to show what you have created, and I will reshare it too. Thank you.